So in front of me I've got Nothing Ear 2. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant via gesture. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected with your smartphone and go to Nothing X app. Now go to Controls and select gesture to set up voice assistant. For example, double pinch and hold for the left earbud. Select voice assistant, and now let's take a look at the left earbud. This is the one. Double pinch and hold. Sometimes you'll have to wear your earbuds to do this. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.